Hey everyone, Linux Mint or Ubuntu? Which one's better? Let's break it down fast. Both Linux Mint and Ubuntu are top, awesome Linux distros, but they cater to slightly different vibes. Let's compare them on ease of use, performance, and customization. Linux Mint is beginner-friendly with its Cinnamon desktop. It feels like Windows, so newbies slide right in. Ubuntu's GNOME desktop is sleek, but can feel less intuitive for some. Mint's got a traditional start menu, while Ubuntu's dashboard takes a bit of getting used to. Performance, well, Mint's lighter, especially on older hardware, and Cinnamon uses fewer resources than GNOME, so Mint can feel snappier on low-end systems. Ubuntu's heavier but shines on modern machines with better out-of-the-box hardware support. For customization, Mint gives you tons of themes and applets to tweak your desktop. Ubuntu's stricter, but its massive community means endless guides for mods. Mint feels more flexible upfront, and Ubuntu needs a bit more elbow grease. So, which is better? Pick Linux Mint if you want a lightweight Windows-like experience that's super customizable. Go for Ubuntu if you need cutting-edge features and don't mind a slight learning curve. What's your pick? Drop it in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.